Hey everyone, so here's a situation a lot of people run into. You can clearly see free unallocated space on your hard drive, but when you try to extend your C drive, Windows just won't let you. The button's grayed out, nothing works. It's annoying, but the good news is there's a fix, and it's easier than you think. Let's get into it. So let's open up Disk Management and take a look. You can see right here, 449 gigabytes of unallocated space. But the moment I right-click on the C drive and try Extend Volume, nothing. It's grayed out, and that's the exact problem we're solving today. This happens because the unallocated space is not next to the C drive. Windows often has a hidden recovery partition between them. This partition is important for system recovery, but it sometimes gets in the way of extending your C drive. To extend the C drive, we need to temporarily disable the recovery partition. To do so, please follow the steps. First thing we need to do is open Command Prompt as administrator. So right-click the Start button and select Run as administrator. Now type reagent C/disable and hit Enter. This disables the Windows recovery environment. And don't worry, we'll turn it back on at the end. Now type Diskpart and hit Enter. This opens the disk management tool inside Command Prompt. Then type List Disk and press Enter. You can see all the disks on my system right here. I'm going to select Disk 0 since that's where my C drive is, so I'll type Select Disk 0. Now type List Partition and press Enter, and you'll see all the partitions on that drive listed right here. Now look through this list and find the recovery partition. You can see it right here. It's this small partition, usually under 1 gigabyte, and it's labeled Recovery. I'll select it by typing Select Partition 4. Your number might be different, so just use whatever number matches yours. Now type Detail Partition and hit Enter. And see these values right here, the partition ID and the attributes? This is really important. I'm going to open up Notepad and save these values because we're going to need them later to recreate the recovery partition. I'd suggest you do the same. Just copy and paste them into Notepad and save the file somewhere easy to find. Now type Delete Partition Override and press Enter. You'll see it confirms the partition has been deleted. And if you look at Disk Management right now, that recovery partition has disappeared. Now right-click on the C drive, and this time, Extend Volume is no longer grayed out. Click it and the wizard opens up. Just follow it through, make sure all the unallocated space is selected, and hit Finish. And look at that, the C drive is now extended. That's exactly what we wanted. Now we need to recreate the recovery partition. So I'm right-clicking on the C drive and hitting Shrink Volume. I'll set the shrink amount to 1024 megabytes, which is 1 gigabyte, just enough for the recovery partition. Hit Shrink, and now we've got that space freed up right here. Right-click that unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. The wizard pops up. Just click Next through everything. No need to change any settings. Once it's done, you can see the new partition sitting right here. This is the one we're going to convert into our recovery partition. Head back to Command Prompt and type List Partition and hit Enter. You can see the new partition we just created listed right here. Select it by typing Select Partition followed by its number. Now remember those values we saved in Notepad earlier? This is where we need them. Type Set ID equals and paste in the partition ID from Notepad and hit Enter. Then type GPT attributes equals and paste in the attributes value and hit Enter. And that's it. The recovery partition is fully recreated with all the correct settings. But there's one small issue. The recovery partition is showing up in File Explorer as a drive, and we need to hide it. So in Command Prompt, type List Volume and hit Enter. This shows us all the volumes on the system, and you can spot the recovery partition right here in the list. So right here you can see the recovery partition has a drive letter assigned to it, D in my case. Type Select Volume followed by its number to select it. Then type Remove Letter equals D and hit Enter. If you check File Explorer now, it's completely gone from there. Type Exit to get out of Diskpart. And the final step, type reagent C/enable and hit Enter. Recovery environment is back on, and we're done. Your C drive now has all that extra space, and your recovery partition is sitting right where it should be. If this worked for you, hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward Windows guides. See you next time.